Apostle, we have this. I will tell Apostle, but this is what you want to use your life for now. Over do manage, you know, 16 years. Jesus! I me to me, by me, no GCSE, no A level.